It's MamaDoesNailz and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day, and today I bring you some Born Pretty PR. So I've already taken off all the shiny bits, the plastic. So we're going to get into this PR because I know one thing is it's going to be beautiful. I know that much. It doesn't really matter what it is. It's going to be beautiful. And don't forget as well, guys, you can take advantage of the discount codes on screen. Please feel free to use and share them. Born Pretty have amazing products for any level, and do check them out. Okay, so that's everything there. Now, this, I believe, is a rubber base coat, and it's black. I had to try this because I've not tried a rubber base coat yet that is black. So we're going to get that on the swatch. I can't get over this. This is like having a black biab. So you can see how easily I have put that on that nail, like literally. And, you know, this is definitely something you could build. Ooh, now this is amazing, because if you were going to use black, you could literally cut out those steps by just using this rubber base coat, like literally. So I will just, on this other nail, just swatch it there so we can have, like, I'm going to do this one quite sheer, and then I can build up the other one. Okay, so rubber base coats are really good for your own natural nails, and you know, that added strength and protection that you look for, you can definitely get with a rubber base coat. So I'm going in now with my second coat of this rubber base coat on this nail. And I really love the viscosity of this. It's so easy to use, and it's very self-leveling. So that's with 2 coats, and this is just 1 coat. I've also just gone in with a Born Pretty black in case we need it for the swatch. So I've cured for 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch the Jelly Nude. I thought this was such a beautiful nude. It was just like a chocolate brown. And I don't have a nude this color. Now look at that coverage on that natural tip. And again, this is something you can build, but it's definitely giving all of that wood vibe, right? And I was hoping it was going to be this kind of brown, because I just think it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to cure that. So we'll do a quick demo for that glue before we get into the rest. Now, it has 10-in-1 uses, and believe me when I tell you, it's not a joke. So you could actually just use this to stick your rhinestones. You could use it to stick on your tips. You could use it to encapsulate, you know, just bigger things. I'm going to show you what I mean. So I have some of these shells on my table, and we will use that for our little demo. Now I haven't cured the 8-in-1 nail glue. So I'm also just going to take some glitter. Well, it's not really glitter, it's flakes, micro flakes. And I'm going to sprinkle it on the nail. And then I'm going to cure for just 30 seconds and just give it a flash. Okay, full disclosure, I found more flakes. Some blue ones. And really, you know, it just, you can just get all those big things that you want, you know, to encapsulate. So I'm just going to do that. And just put a little there. And then I'm definitely going to cure. So I cured that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to use that same glue and we're just going to get that on the nail. Now it's a light pink, so if you think when you use this to adhere your tips and maybe you just don't like your natural nail bed color, this is definitely an alternative. I will leave it linked in the description, and they do have other colors as well. So I'm gonna just do a second coat, and you can see how easy, you know, it really is to work with. Effortless work, and you know, you have literally encapsulated abalone shells and flakes and glitters. You know, it's really like awesome. And you know, you don't need like 5-6 different things these days to do nails. I love, you know, products that are multi-use, that have multi-uses, should I say. So you can really see how, you know, pale that pink is. I'm just going to turn it upside down so we can let that settle. Well, not settle, but self-level. And I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Now, I'm going to leave that in the lamp. And we're going to try this thermal nail gel. Now, oh my gosh. Okay, so I didn't even think it was going to be purple. So I'm going to do it on this tip so we can see what it looks like on the, not clear, but you know, the natural tip. It's such a beautiful color. It's giving all the purple lilac vibes and the glitters. Oh wow. So we can probably put it on this one. So let's do this one that had the rubber base coat, and we had done 2 coats of that rubber base coat. So this is a thermal gel. So even in the winter, it's responsive because obviously you get hot and you get cold. So we'll do 2 coats of that probably, we'll see. Oh wow, look how stunning that is. So it's definitely looks different on the natural base. You see more of the pink, but I just felt like on the darker base, so I got mask on, it was harder for it to, you know, really be responsive. So I think I would definitely recommend doing it on a clear or light base, because that natural base, definitely, I felt like we had more time. Okay, so that was the temperature changing thermal gel. So I still have the liner paint gel, which is a liquid chrome, and I just thought this would be so cool, because who doesn't love liquid chrome? And then, you know, you can have it like in a liner. Oh my gosh. So, you know, obviously when you're using the liner gel, that's it. You don't have to clean it. It's not like a separate brush. And I don't know, I just kind of thought this was genius to have the liquid chrome in a liner. Oh my gosh. And I actually don't have one. So this is super cool. So I'm just taking that and just going round just the border of the nail. And you really, really, really don't need a lot. It's so opaque, you really don't need a lot. Oh wow. And it's so shiny as well. I can't stop myself. Okay, just a tiny little bit more. We just want a little border on the nail. I am just testing it out after all. But it's so easy to use. Oh, wow. I love this. Okay, I'm going to put that to cure. And I still have another nail here. Yes, I do. You know, and this one was just the black nail. I literally just swatched this just for the sake of it. And I don't even know what I'm doing. I just love the way it's gliding on the nail. And, you know, it comes with its own brush, and you can definitely do nail art with with the liner. It's definitely possible. And I love it. The brush is definitely nice and thin, and yeah, I love this. And you've seen I can just keep going for days. I have not even dipped my brush back inside that bottle. Okay, I'm going to cure. I would say do a full 60 seconds, and that has cured. Look how beautiful that looks. So I'm just going to use a no wipe top coat from Born Pretty, and we're just going to top coat that now. Now this is just that glue, the 10-in-1. uses, and you know, just did something because you know, that's the options that you have. Now I could have really, you know, carried on, you know, building that up, and you can, you know, you could do yourself a nice opal nail just using that. Guys, I just want to thank you. I am just put little few stickers there on the nail. I just think that chrome, I love it. I love the fact that even after top coating, it looks super shiny. And I did matte that jelly, that nude. You see how gorgeous that is. Really, really nice and dark. And this was just the rubber base coat. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I did matte this nail. I don't know if you can see it any better, but you can see how sheer that pink is. I think this would be perfect for opal nails. I'm definitely going to try it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails. Please, please, please feel free, as I said, guys, to use and share the discount codes on screen. And look out for the nail design, because we'll definitely be back. I want to definitely use this temperature changing polish because it's pink underneath. Like, I feel like I need to put it in the lamp once more. Absolutely stunning. I absolutely love everything in this PR, and I cannot win. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. Thank you. Catch me in the next one. Bye.